Welcome back. So today we have a rather small section. I just wanted to explain memory representation a little bit. So all elements of an array are placed in memory locations. They are placed one after another in series. This property is really important and will be of use when we learn about pointers. So basically, what you can see here are 1 at index 0 comes before, let's say, in terms of memory locations, anyway, for example, 1. So this comes before this in terms of memory locations, how they are actually stored in RAM. And of course, before like 4, 9, and so on and so forth. It doesn't really matter. So I have a really neat representation here for you how it all works. So let's say index 0, it has some sort of a, I don't know, memory, like some sort of a memory address. And then the next element next to it has the next memory address in line, and so on and so forth, ranging from the very first element to the last element. They are sequential, and they are always one after another directly in terms of memory locations anyway. So that's pretty much all I wanted to mention here, and I want to show my pretty drawing. But anyway, we will move on into the next tutorial.